Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Revolt card in store. So, using a Revolt card in store is just as easy as any debit or credit card, and it's perfect for both local and international payments. First, activate your Revolt card. Before using it, make sure that your Revolt card is activated. Open the Revolt app, navigate to Cards tab and check your card status. If it says activate card, follow the prompts and enter your card's last 4 digits and you can use it right after activation. Now, your card works only if there's balance in your account. Tap accounts, tap add money and choose an amount, then top up using another card or bank transfer. You can also hold multiple currencies for travel convenience. Now, at checkout, simply tap your Revolt card on the contactless machine. For larger transactions, insert the chip and enter your PIN. It works anywhere MasterCard or Visa is accepted, just like any regular debit card. Now, you can also link your Revolut card to Apple Pay or Google Pay. This lets you pay in stores using your phone or a smartwatch, secure and fast without needing the physical card. Now, every time you pay, you will get an instant notification in the Revolt app showing the merchant, location, and amount. You can also freeze your card anytime if it's lost or stolen. Your Revolt card is now ready to use for groceries, travel, dining, or shopping worldwide. It's fast, contactless, and gives you real-time control over your money right from your phone. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.